Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to enable and disable fast start up in Windows 10 or 11 PC. For this, go to start, then search for control panel. After that, go to hardware and sound. Now go to power option. From here, choose what the power buttons do. Then you can see turn on fast start up, but you cannot edit in this option. So click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now we can change the option here, turn on fast start up, and after that just save the changes and that will do the work. So that's it guys. If this would help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.